Hello, this is the TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi Extender AC750 dual band. It has the 5G and the 2.4 gigahertz broadcasting. So today I'm going to show you how to set it up and use it. This is the actual extender. On the bottom you have where you can plug in an Ethernet cable to go directly, and you also have the reset button. Focus on that, the reset button, and you just plug it into the wall, and it has the information on the back of it and stuff like that. So let's do the setup of this, okay? So here we go with the setup. Please like and subscribe. Okay, the first thing we want to do is on the side of our box we have a QR code that we can scan to get to the TP-Link tether for either your Google or your iPhone. You scan that and it should take you to the link for your app. Or you can just go to your phone, click on your app store. I have an iPhone, so we're going to do it on the app iPhone. Okay. And then on the iPhone, we're going to tap on search and type in TP. As soon as you do that, you're going to see TP-Link tether. Tap on that link and it'll take you to this right here. So go ahead and click on it and install it. Okay, you click on it once, and then you hit right here to download it to your phone. Okay. I guess in my case I have to hit the cloud. Tap on the cloud and it'll install the link. It'll install the app for me. So install the app, the TP-Link tether. Okay, after we download the app, we're going to open it up. Tap the open button. Then we're going to come to this page where it says I confirm, I accept, and then we're going to just hit continue. Tap on continue. And then we're going to hit allow. And then after we hit allow, we tap on I've already given local network permission. And then you just log in, or you can create your ID. So I have an ID already, so go ahead and create one if you don't have an ID, okay? And log into the app. After you log in, it's going to ask you if you want to receive notification. I don't want to see none, so I'm going to say don't allow. And then it's going to ask you if you want two-step verification. I'm going to say maybe later. And then I'm going to say okay. It can be set later on. And now we're at the part where we add our device. It says no devices found. So let's plug in our extender, and then we'll come back to this page, okay? Okay, plug your extender into a socket, and then the lights will come up, and we want all the lights to be solid, okay? When it gets solid, then we can move forward. So it's going to be blinking, and then when it stops blinking and becomes solid, then we're ready to move on, okay? So after it stopped blinking and becomes solid, we can move back on to our phones to set up the extender. Back at our phone, we can hit the plus button down here, or come down here and hit add device. I'm gonna just click add device. And it says add a router, add an extender. We want the extender, so tap on that. Check LED status, and LEDs are solid. They're all solid, so tap on that. And then it asks, it wants to join this extender. So we're gonna hit join. And now it's gonna search for our extender. Okay, you're gonna come to this page to set a password. The password it has to have a cap, a symbol, and some numbers. So make it something that you will remember for your password, and write it down so you don't forget it. Or if you do forget it, you know where to find it. So put it on your notes on your phone what your password is, okay? So let's go forward. after that. After you put in your password, it's going to ask you to select a network. So you select your network, and then after you select your network, you put in the password for that network for the 2.4G, and then it's going to probably go to the next one where it asks you for the 5G, and then you put in that password. Okay, so do that. After you put in your password for the 2.5 and the 5G network, it's going to hit apply, and now it's going to apply the settings to your extender. You could change the name at any given point of what your extender name wants to be. It's going to be your network with the last word default EXT. So whatever your network is, it's going to say EXT on the end of it. Okay? So that's how you do this. So let's go ahead and let this get to 100%, and from there you should be good to go. So at this point, all the lights on your extender is all green. So you have your 5G, your 2.4, and you connect it to your Wi-Fi. So you should be able to find this on your phone. It shows your device. So you're all set up. You probably see something where it says location, where you can move this to a different location if you don't like where you set it up at, because they normally have you set it up close to your Wi-Fi extender. I'm a ways away from my Wi-Fi extender, so it's all good to me. So what we want to do is you can close this out, and you can go to your Wi-Fi settings, and you should be able to see the EXT. You should see something that say EXT on it, and that'll be your Wi-Fi extender, okay? And then you just put in your username and password, and you'll be good to go. So that's how you set it up. Good luck. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.